Aquaman should have everything under control by now.
Right. And we'll be at the coast to pick him up in a couple of minutes.
Holy hang-ups, Batman. Look, that crane is out of control.
I see it, chum. You'll have to make a fast detour. If they can just hold on for a few more seconds.
Bill, I can't hold on any longer. Joe! Joe! The power crane, it just went haywire.
We had to jump out of the way, and then it went dead.
Wow, the dynamic duo. Wasn't that super groovy?
Super fantastic. Couldn't have done better myself.